Hey everyone, welcome back to another Java short video. Today's question is a tricky one. Does multiplying 3 by 0.1 equal 0.3 in Java? That is, what will 3 into 0.1 double equals 0.3 return? Will it be true or false? Spoiler alert, it will return false. Here's why. In Java, floating point arithmetic using double or float is not always precise. When we multiply 3 into 0.1, the result is very close to 0.3 but not exactly 0.3. Due to how numbers are stored in binary, slight inaccuracies occur. Floating point numbers like 0.1 are stored as approximations in binary. For example, the decimal 0.1 cannot be represented exactly in base 2. So Java approximates it as 0.1 followed by some zeros and then 555, 111, 5123 and so on. And why is that the case? Check out this short video where I explain why 0.1 is not stored accurately in binary, and on the other hand, why the numbers like 0.125 are stored perfectly. So 3 into 0.1 is actually equal to 0.3 followed by some zeros and 4. And now if we compare it with 0.3, the result will be false because of the tiny difference. To avoid floating point errors, we can either use BigDecimal, or another approach can be that you can allow small margin for comparison. For example, instead of doing a comparison, we can calculate the absolute difference and check if it is within the bounds of the threshold. For example, here the threshold is 10 to the power of minus 9. Fun fact, did you know floating point precision issues aren't unique to Java? They occur in almost every programming language that uses IEEE 754 standards for storing floating point numbers. So to summarize, 3 into 0.1 double equals 0.3 returns false due to tiny floating point errors. To mitigate this, either use the BigDecimal or compare with a margin to handle precision cases. So that's all for today. Hit like and follow us for more Java tips.